welcome back to English with Ruhani. So today I'm going to check your vocabulary. आज मैं आपकी vocabulary check करने वाली हूँ. There are gonna be 3 levels: basic, intermediate and advanced. आपको एक क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए 3 सेकेंड्स मिलेंगे. In total there are 15 questions. आइए शुरू करते हैं with the basic level. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. We were dashed to take the pictures of the children. Option A, allowed. Option B, loud. And option C, allowed. You got it right. Option A, allowed, is the correct answer. Next up, we have, if you are a couch potato, you are. Option A, fit. Option B, lazy. And option C, ugly. You did a fantastic job. Option B, lazy, is the correct answer. Next up we have, write the synonym for stunning. Option A, beautiful. Option B, courageous. And option C, dead. You did a great job. Option A, beautiful, is the correct answer. Next up we have antonym for admit. Option A, deny. Option B, approval. And option C, requested. You got it right. Option A, deny. Next up, we have water fit for drinking is option A, potable. Option B, drinkable. And option C, holy. Option A is the right answer.